my friends, and welcome to Mystic Star Magic. I am so happy that you are here, and we're going to find out what's happening with you this week. So, this is exciting. Um, these are the cards to choose from, so look at them while I just jibber jabber a little bit about. Right now, we're having a subscriber giveaway, so I'm going to put hopefully the video up below. Just go ahead and go in there, and if you're a subscriber, just put enter and just be entered into like the giveaway, and it's very, very exciting. I'm actually giving away some of this, like for example, all my the decks that I've created, and also like my divination dice sets, as well as free personal reading. So this is exciting. If you don't want to wait until find out and you want to go ahead and book a personal reading with me, just go ahead and write to me at mysticstarmagic@gmail.com, or check the description down below and you'll have all the details about that. Yeah, so right now we're having a fall kind of sale for it, so it's $26 for a video personal reading, so it's pretty cool. It probably will go up later on, but that's all that is. And I guess just thank you so much for being here and spending your time with me. Let's go and dive into what's happening this week. So I have oracle cards, tarot cards, charms, and of course, yes, charms and divination dice. So let's go ahead and do this. So take a deep breath in. Close your eyes, clear your mind, and as you exhale, choose whichever pile, whether it's the drawing or whether it's the words, calls to you. Let's do this. Hello, group one. Let's find out what's happening with you this week. So you chose this imagine. So it's something, this week is all about using your imagination, imagining what you want your life to be, what you want in your life to come through. I always like to think about that instead of like what I don't want. I like to think about what I do want. So what is it that you want? What is it? There's a castle in the book. Maybe there would be some guidance to you from a book as well. So using your imaginations to actually get, to dream up the life you've been wanting. Your dream life is very much calling to you right now. What we need to focus on is all about playing. So yeah, imagination, playing, it's all about connecting to more of your like inner child, more of a fun aspect. So like daydreaming about what is it that you want, playing and letting your imagination, like if you're your imagination usually, like, or at least my imagination kind of really comes out when I'm in a playful mood. It's all like about, oh, wouldn't it be so cool to do this or that? So be with that right now. That's where you're most successful. I guess that's what I would say this week. So let's see what the tarot has for us. So yeah, look at that. Ace of Wands right there. Makes perfect sense. So it's an Ace of Wands. It's like something creative is coming forth. It's like a new beginning of creativity that's coming forth, that's calling you. It's sort of like, I almost feel like all of a sudden you're like, hey, wouldn't this be so cool? Like, oh, I have this idea, and it just kind of comes out of like nowhere. But it's very important, okay? Especially this week, we have Nine of Wands and we have the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so like when we have this idea, it's gonna take some time for it to go, like, to grow, right? This is the seed. And I have to say, like, this is actually quite interesting to me because we have the seed here, but we also have the Nine of Wands here. So it's telling you that, like, be determined. And I usually, like, I'm like, oh, this one could be a one where it's like, maybe you're too determined, too stuck on things. But no, I really feel that it's like, be determined, have the patience to allow this seed that you've planted. Maybe it's, I really feel like you're planting it this week, but be determined and allow it to actually flourish. Take its time. Don't rush it. Don't just like be like, oh, I have to, like, it has to go from A to Z right away. No, like, let it flourish, because I think that's part of, like, this is all part of you growing as a person, but it's also like a creative process that's growing, right? It's like, I almost feel like you're learning the magician, the manifestation aspect of it, and this is important to you, like the learning aspect, not just the outcome, but rather the process of it, right? So it's very important to do that, and to be patient. I feel like, for some of you who are worried about money, it's like, take time to play, take time to imagine what you want, and then let the universe just kind of help you. It's like, yes, it's gonna take time. When we plant a seed, right, we don't expect the plant to just grow right away. It takes time. So then give yourself that time, especially this week. Just give yourself that time. Don't rush it. It's not necessary. If you feel like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, take a deep breath, go out and play, or spend time imagining, oh my god, I can't wait till this happens and it's going to be like this. Oh my god, like, like enjoying all that process of it. Let's see what the love is coming down. It's coming. So this week is all about you deserve love. So that is the love energy that's coming forth for you this week. We also have, renew. So time to relax. Oh, look at this. Time to relax and be near water. So yes, maybe playing. This is definitely by the beach here. So being playful in the beach, playing, like, even if you can't get to the beach or a lake or anywhere near a body of water, maybe take a bath or a fun shower. Maybe I like to yeah, I'm sharing too much information, but I love playing with new soaps in the shower. Like, I love new scents. This is like, I get excited when I get a new soap. I've been also working on like making little soaps. I got like a little kit, and now I'm like making soaps, and I'm excited about that, right? There's an excitement there. So maybe for some of you, you can actually like maybe get yourself a kit and make some soaps, or just really just enjoy the water. It's a sense of renewal. And in this sense of renewal, it's not just it's not like you're like, how do I say it? It's like from being worn out, but it's more like it's a renewal for like imagination, for creativity, for having fun, and being playful here. It's all about that. So this is just really, really, really exciting. Overall, this yes. Let's go ahead, and I'm like trying to figure out which dice set do I want to do. Nope, not you guys. As you can tell, I have everything like all squished in together. Let's do the fun dragon one. Yeah, let's do the dragon one. Today we're gonna do the everyday wonders. Everyday wonders. Oracle set. Divination dice set. And this is one of my dice sets. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, so here we go. We have this. Maybe you're barkety. This is maybe you are maybe a little bit tense. You're also, look at that. I have to say, look, I have to say, so maybe you're barkety. You also have this kind of like closing your eyes, and you're trying to make a wish real strong, like making it real strong. Like, and that's that sense of like, oh, I really want it to come through. But look, instead it's saying, take it easy. Maybe take some time. Maybe go barbecuing and enjoying some food. Like, you have the power. You have the ability to make things through, because the dragon can just go ahead and use the fire to cook the eggplant that he's eating right there, or she's eating, I don't know. So it's like you have the power to manifest the things you want, but it's not about just the manifestation. It's about playing with all the things. Do your thing. Yeah, you got to do your thing, and then one day at a time. Yes, one day at a time. Being cutting off the drama. There's no need to drama here, and just enjoying what makes your heart like happy. It also feels like it to me. Aside from drama, it's also like it's time to start. Like, starting right now, we're gonna like fulfill your heart. That's quite lovely, I have to say. Like, oh, I do love my everyday wonders. Divination dice set. Let's see what Sprinkle of Charms is for group 1. For the Sprinkle of Charms for the group 1 for this week. Okay, look, wish fulfillment already coming through here. Love is coming, like, look at that. How many hearts? Your heart is opening up. It's blossoming. We also have a heart there. That needs to just, the floor, at least to me, seems to be there. So it's like about gracefulness, about, I don't know why I'm seeing gratitude as well. Oh, handmade. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's very strange, because I was telling you about my soap stuff, and I feel like there's a sense of creativity that needs to come out for you. Maybe like a project, something that's handmade coming through. This is all about, I would say, just like the process of it all. This is like, to me, the shark tooth, and it's like the shark has a very important role to play in the ecosystem of the ocean, right? That is a very important thing. Not everybody loves sharks, right? Some people don't like them. I love sharks. I actually love all animals. But this is important because like sharks have an actual is all part of the ecosystem. And I feel like what I'm getting at here is that even the slow, like, whenever you're slowing down, whenever you're like, oh, I have to do this, but there's this time of patience that needed. It's all needed. It's all part of your ecosystem of creating and manifesting things. I love how, like, there's loud noises. Yes, excuse the loud noises. Okay. You're gonna see that. Part of the reason why I want to move. My dear neighbors are quite noisy. Okay, so success. There is success coming. That's important to remember, that your success is coming. It doesn't have to be right away. Even just by this creative idea, just by imagining, by playing, there is success already, right? The manifestation is not just the success. It's the actual process. It's the fun process of it all. And then we have the angels are watching over me. Yes, 100%. And that's beautiful, because you know that they're there. And think about it. This isn't just being like look at this Ace of Wands. It's like it's coming from from your angels, from a divine source right there. That's what's coming through here. All right, before we call it a day, I wanted to go ahead and see what affirmations for the week is. I haven't done this in a while, but we're going to do this. And this is all about the magical life affirmation cards. And then we're going to have just what Crystal says for the week. All right, so let's see what your affirmation is. And I apologize so much for the loud noise upstairs. My neighbors are quite noisy. All right, let's focus on what is the affirmation for the collective of group 1 this week. All right, here we go. I have a creative solution. Oh my God, that is it. You have a creative solution to whatever it is that you need. That is what you have. You have the creative solution there. It's quite beautiful. Now let's go ahead and see what Crystal says. And this is one of V-Love and Crystal's Oracle decks. And she gave us a little code for 35% off all single decks. So check the description down below. And I'm actually gonna, well, we'll see what happens. But I was gonna say, if you go to Gamecrafter for my store, you'll get a discount there. And I'll put all the description down below, their stuff too. All right, let's go ahead. What's happening? What kind of guidance can you give us for this week for the collective group 1? Yeah, we have a green light. It's saying whatever your dreams and your like creative urgings, you have the green light. Go for it. It is going to there's gonna be you're gonna feel like a light. And by that I mean if there is any confusion, any kind of things, you're gonna start feeling like light is coming through, and you're like, oh my God, I want to take this action. Take that action. This is what it's saying. Take that action. It is all important. It's all part of this big thing that you're getting at. So be proud. Continue to do what you're doing. It's all working out right here. Quite magical, I actually have to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I am beyond grateful that you are here. I am sending so much love, so much light, so much happiness, so much creativity and joy and just magic. Have a great day. Bye-bye, group 1. Hello, group 2. Let's find out what's happening with you this week. So you chose this beautiful card, which is the Victory Week card. So you are looking for a victory, and it's coming here. But you do have to allow this momentum. It's sort of like, how we swing. We start at the bottom and then we just swing further and further and further, right? There's no need to I think it's once you get the momentum, allowing it to go. Let's see what it also tells us here. What is our focus? Our focus is all about heat. So it's all about passion. It's actually similar to group 1 in terms of passion is what's going to get us to where we need to go. This is all about passion. Once you have the passion, it's going to guide us there. Let me smooth this. So yeah, there we go. So passion, what drives you? It's also a sense of also here for me too, not just with the heat though, with this it's all about also kind of introversion as well. So there is a victory awaiting, but we need to I almost feel like there's a sense of needing action coming through here. I don't know why that is, although there's momentum. Yeah, okay, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. All right, so we definitely have choosing. We need to make a choice here. So victory awaits once we made a choice. And then there's a sense of healing, like I said. There's a sense of healing coming through with the star. A sense of hope and optimism, right? What are you passionate about? What do you want? And then kind of going forward with this. I do feel like you need some friendships here. Some time for friends. Some time for fun. 3 of Cups, again, very similar to group 1. All of this, though, it's quite lovely. I do love that, The star is here. I actually like this because it's pouring out the emotions, pouring out, I feel like, old stuff that is not necessary. It's kind of like, and I feel like that's going to refresh you. We're releasing things. Oh, and it is the full moon, so there is a need to like release things that are no longer necessary. Being grateful for the things that we are and making a choice. We do need to make that choice. Where do we want to go? Do we want to stay on our path that we're on, or do we want to go off somewhere like a little different that we're a little more passionate about? And I'm saying this because like this one's kind of pointing to the heat. It's like, yes, something that you're passionate about, something that's drawing you in. And I feel like the victory coming through is also with friendship. It's all about celebrating. It is like, I do feel like there is a sense of celebration coming this week for you. Let's see what the love energy is coming through. So flirt, extend your lighthearted energy to others. Yeah, it's playful. It's a friskiness, right? And we have, this could be the one you already met, the romantic partner you seek. So maybe some of you have met the romantic partner that you seek. Maybe it's through friendship. Maybe it's an Aquarius coming through here. But it's really it's about flirting. It's about having fun. This week is really about having fun, I have to say. Like, yes, doing your creative, like all the things that give you passion, but also like having fun with all of it. Let's see what the self-care is all about. So bond, time to chat with a friend. So connect with somebody, connect with a friend. Maybe maybe they'll connect you to the one, or maybe they are the one. I don't know, but there's a sense of needing to bond, to connect to others. Yeah, I do love that. So beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what our everyday wonders, which is like my everyday wonders, divination dice set. We're gonna just go ahead and play with this. All right. Oh my goodness, I love this. You have diamonds, money coming through here. Look at this. You are so cool. You're just having fun. Look at that. I also have to say, like, yeah, you have this. For some of you, eating is important. Oh, health is also important. So taking care of your health. That's why we also need to relax. Like maybe, and I do feel like relaxation, having fun, healing. The star is here for healing. So taking some time to heal. If you're tired, go maybe check yourself out if you feel that's necessary. But yeah, you're on top of your game. Look at that. That's sunglasses. You're like, I'm so there. I also feel like look at that. You're moving. You're flying towards where you need to be. And I do love this one because it's like you have the power to kind of like, for example, he has the power to cook that eggplant with his little, since he blows little like flames. So that's like the thing. You have the power to create the things that you want. That's so quite beautiful. So here it is. Yeah, do what you love, right? I love when it says it right there. And if not now, when? So what you have, like, this is now. It's a time for you. This is all about you right now. This is perfect timing here for you. Let's see what the sprinkle of charms are going to tell us. Sprinkle of charms. What is like the rest of the okay. What? You know what? It's a very small sprinkle. I would be kind of sad if my cupcake only got two, but it's okay. Look at this. I like this because it's all about what we're hearing here. And sometimes having less is actually helping us know, because of this, I actually have a very concrete thing to tell you. It's like, live the life you love, right? It's basically do what you love. It's basically telling you, live the life you love. Do that. Do what you love. And here it is. It's opening up. You're blossoming your heart. And I also feel like, yeah, your heart chakra is blossoming. And it's look at that. It's such a beautiful little rose there. And it's almost transparent. There's nothing there that's holding it back. It's just transparent. I love that so much because it's often we hide things from ourselves or from others. Like we kind of try to and it muddies things. But no, here's this sense of clarity. This is your heart letting you know what it wants, and it's blossoming, and there's a clarity there, there's a healing there. It's quite, I'm like very much moved by it. Let's go ahead and see what magical affirmations, and I haven't done affirmations. Let's see if I do it. It's fun. We'll do this one. I am excited because I really like this magical life affirmations. Let's see what it says for this week for you. Okay, what is this? Oh, look at this. Oh my God, look at that. I respond to the calls that ignite my spirit. I respond to the calls that ignite my spirit. So what's igniting your spirit? What is it that calls you to do? Like, what is it? It's because you're making this choice. I really feel like you're gonna do that. Oh, I am 100% there with you. I love that. Okay, now we're gonna use the Ask Crystal by V Love Crystals by V Love and Crystal. Yeah. Crystal says, sorry, not Ask Crystals, but Crystal says, and this is by V Love and Crystals, and she gave us 35% discount. So check the description down below, and you can go ahead and maybe get her. This one is one of my favorite decks. So let's see what they have for us. What does Crystal say? What kind of, for this week, for the coming week? Group one. Okay. Oh, look at that. See the signs. So you're going to see signs, synchronicities, all about that. And that's what's going to help you guide you through this as well. Okay, so see the signs and especially numbers, sequences maybe, and just get there. Yeah, just it's what's calling you. They're going to help you, guide you, especially when you're making that decision. So I do like, look at that. I love this reading. I'm actually thinking this is a very beautiful week. It's like a creative week is what I call it. I do love that. Thank you so much for watching this. Please let me know if you like it. And if you did, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I'm beyond grateful that you're here spending time with me and that you're being part of my community. I absolutely adore you. Thank you so much. I am sending you so much love, so much light, so much happiness, so much joy. And like really doing what you love and making your life exactly what you want it to be. Have a great day. Bye-bye, Group 2. Hello, Group 3. Let's find out what's happening with you this week. So you chose this beautiful card and it's all about shining brightly. So it's really, to me, really listening here because of the colors and everything, really listening to intuition coming through. It's almost like a third eye opening. So that's where it comes from. Your intuition is letting you know how to shine brightly. And this is what we're going to focus on. Stability. So finding stability. I'm saying like here, and it's also, do you see how it's the colors? It's the same kind of color codes here. Again, knowing this, like following intuition, your third eye opening kind of. Also here we have our throat chakra. So I really feel like it's all about connecting to this intuition that's letting us know. Once you do, you're going to feel stability. Regardless of what's happening, you're going to feel the stability that I think you've been wanting. So let's go ahead and see what it says. Yeah. So look at that. I do want you to see this. We have 9 is a strong number for you this week because we have 9 of Swords and 9 of Pentacles and the Magician. So I want you to see this. Okay. So, and now this is why I see the stability needing, because there's a sense of worry, there's a sense of anxiety that's showing itself here. But I want you to see, Yahoo, I have to do this. So this is also like countered with this, with the 9 of Pentacles. So it's a balance here. It's a balance of like worrying, but also knowing that you have the ability to handle whatever comes your way. You are very independent. You are very like abundant, right? You have, I feel like there's a sense of already a stability sense of here. You are grounded in many ways. So it's interesting because I feel like sometimes you get caught up in your worries. You're like, oh my God. But then you also have this aspect of yourself that actually grounds you as well. Really listening to this one, but not, you see, this is the thing. I'm not saying don't like ignore this. No. Find this balance. It's okay. Knowing that sometimes we worry, because I mean, it's natural. We sometimes have fears. Sometimes we're worried about things. It's natural for it. But finding a balance of like, it's okay if sometimes we worry. We bring ourselves, grounding ourselves to knowing that everything's okay. We can handle everything, especially because we have this Magician. You have the ability to manifest. And this is quite beautiful because it's running through all the each pile has something similar. You have the ability to manifest. You have the power to create the things that you want. There is a sense of wanting to shine brightly, but maybe being afraid of it, right? I'm afraid of this. And it's okay. Not everybody, like it's scary to really show ourselves, right? Or show our shining selves to others. I have that trouble too. Many times I kind of like, I'm afraid of it because it's actually interesting. A lot of people are more afraid of success and being successful than they are failure, because you know, like if you're successful, people, not everybody's going to like love that. And it's understandable because, you know, like um it takes you away from them in a sense, right? So this is a beautiful reading here. It's okay that we have some worries and we have anxieties. Listening to ourselves, grounding ourselves, knowing that we are capable of doing and manifesting everything that we want, and we do have it. Lots of abundance here, lots of like independent, like a powerful spirit here, but a gentleness here as well. We do have this. So past life relationships. So maybe something from the past is coming forth, and maybe that's why we have the Nine of Swords. So you have known each other before. It might be good, it might be bad. We'll see. Like, and I'm not saying bad, but it might be that we need to face some stuff from the past, right? And it's not that it's bad. It's just something that we've been putting off, right? So we categorize it as something bad, so we're putting it off. But now if we actually deal with it, actually get it, maybe this is what will come, the stability that we've been wanting all along. We just have to like face it, right? That's always something that's important. So here we have affirmations. Affirm. So this is your self-care for the week. So time to flirt out loud with the mirror. So affirmations is important. What affirmations of your power, affirmations of how beautiful you are. That's beautiful. How you're shining brightly, and that it's like, you know, it's okay to shine brightly. So this is quite beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what the Everyday Wonders divination dice set tells us. So this is my dice set, and this is going to be interesting. I love this. Okay, here we go. So we've been kind of feeling a bit down here. It's telling us, and that's the Nine of Swords energy. We need to take a nap. I 100% believe that. Sometimes we're grouchy, and a lot of our emotional influxes, like, you know, like instability, comes from not napping, not from not resting. So it's telling us we need to rest. And then look at this. You're just going to have so much fun. You're just going to be sticking your tongue out and go like, hey, look how much fun I have. Look at that. There's conversations that need to be had. This is important this week. And taking baby steps, taking steps towards where we want to go, right? Taking the steps that we need to take, movement forward. If not now, when? So yeah, when you know, like it's time for you. It's time for you to take those steps. It's time to move forward. It's time to have that conversation. And it's one day at a time. It doesn't have to be all at once. It doesn't have to be like, oh, this is the end all be all. But it's a slow process in moving forward, stability wise. Let's see what the sprinkle of charms are for you. Let's see. Sprinkle of charms for the collective of group 3. Okay, we have this. Oh wow, we have a lot of them. Look at that. We have the unlocking. You have the key to unlock whatever it is. I feel like this worries. You have the key to unlock this, to release any of that which has been bothering you. We have love coming through. Your heart is blossoming, and it is time to mend something. Yeah, so look at that. So maybe something from the past is coming forth. It's time to mend it. It's time to heal from it. It's also time for us to maybe have like a little bit of a makeover. It's time for us to paint things in a different color. Like what do you want? And then just kind of either it's like something, it's a needing for a refreshment. It's being to refresh yourself, or refresh, possibly a connection, as well as also maybe how you look at yourself. Yeah. Okay, this is beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and see what your affirmations, because I actually did this magical affirmation, like for affirmations for magical life. We're going to see what this affirmation for this week is for you. Collective of group 3. Ooh, look at this. I transcend all limited thinking. So you are transcending all limiting thinking. So you are moving forward, like shining brightly. You're moving forward. You're starting creating. This is the manifestation. We're all about creating, manifesting. It is you are getting your power. You understand it now. And I do love that it's the seagull there. It's also like, it's like you're flying high. Oh, and you have the moon there. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you should watch the full moon reading that I did. It might be helpful coming through here. Oh, wow. Seagull is always to me a sense of freedom. Yeah. I like that. All right, let's see. We're gonna ask Crystal Seth, and we're using this one just to see what kind of things are coming through, like messages coming through. And this is by V Love and Crystals, and she gave us a discount, so check out her Etsy and check down the description below for the code for it. All right, let's see what collective of. Oh wow. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Look at this. It is time for it to make a plan. And I want you to see this because it's this kind of thing. You make a plan and it has this, like the rocks are all on top of each other, finding this balance. So it's very much connected. So it's time for you to make a plan. What is it? How are you going to like do this? Like, what are your dreams? I really do think that that's important. And then transcend any limiting thinking. So any kind of worries, just transcend them and dream really big and have this, make the plan for it to be stable. It is actually all interconnected and it's quite beautiful. This is a beautiful week. And I do love that they're all kind of all together. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you liked this reading, and if you did, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I am beyond grateful that you are here. I am just sending so much love, so much happiness, so much joy, so much freedom, so much stability, but just like well-being all around. Have a great day. Bye-bye, Group 3.